help starting your podcasts? We've got you at the VIC Podcasters. You're listening to the Victorian Podcasters podcast, your bite-sized slice of podcasting know-how. We're all about connecting Victorian podcasters, newbies, pros, and the I'm gonna crowd. We'll put your money where your mouth is and join our emailing list and Facebook and LinkedIn groups for exclusive updates, resources, and our community Q&A, because podcasting doesn't have to be a solo gig. VIC Podcasters is proudly produced on Wadawurrung land. So this is an episode for anyone thinking of starting podcasting, everything that entails, and maybe you've already dipped your toes into the podcasting waters and now you're feeling overwhelmed. Well, welcome to this episode of the VIC Podcasters, where we are here to help you and mentor you through this journey. So if you're thinking about starting a podcast, but you often feel lost and overwhelmed, you have so many questions and Google answers or AI answers are way too vague or just not really straightforward enough for you to actually take action on, that is where mentoring comes in. And this is something that can help you jump over those first episode scary things and help you not throw the mic across the room, preferably. And I've wanted to offer podcasting mentoring for a very long time, not just in my business, but in VIC Podcasters itself. I am a very big proponent of mentoring. I mentor a bunch of kids and have mentored many business owners in myself as the host of the podcast, Zoe Wood of Video Confidence Coach. And with this endeavor, I want to start offering mentoring too, but there's some caveats, as you can probably imagine. So when it comes to mentoring and providing this opportunity for people, it's not going to be a 24/7 on-demand magic thing. We're going to run limited mentoring cohorts, essentially groups throughout the year. And we want to make sure that they are focused on pods of podcasters who are already starting or restarting together, so everyone is on the same playing field. We want to offer mentoring that is designed to get you. We want to clarify why you're starting the show, what its purpose is, practical steps to not overwhelm you, and to be your cheer squad for fellow beginners. But we also want to make sure that you are taking this opportunity and this hobby or this professional endeavor, if that is what's happening for you, take it seriously so that you can be consistent for your audience. If this has interested you at all, this is how you get involved. So for first dibs, make sure you are on our email list. You can join that email list at vcc.training/vic-podcasters. And of course, you can check it out in the show notes in the episode notes attached. And we always make sure to give our subscribers early bird spots to be able to enjoy that mentoring opportunity. These spots are super limited, so as you can imagine, make sure that to make sure that we're mentoring you and not just spamming you with PDFs and tools and stuff that you'll never use. We need to limit the cohort and the groups themselves. This offering at the moment is currently free. It is not a paid mentoring service. I want to be able to give people that opportunity for a free service. But in turn, it needs to be rigorous in our selection criteria and that you're actually serious about taking on this opportunity. So in that case, I want to sell you on it a little bit more before I give you all the rest of the details. VIC Podcasters was brought to you by the Video Confidence Coach. That's me, smashing your marketing mayhem with killer video strategies. Love ya. So what's involved in this mentoring cohort? You get a weekly guidance and accountability session. And if you aren't able to make it on that actual time, you can then watch the recording. It's not just you've got this, it's actually real feedback and a chance to ask and get questions answered. We have expert guests and pod-to-pod learning. So you're learning with someone else and you can ask questions of each other to help grow your podcasting knowledge and journey to help others. It's kind of like a podcasting school, but with better snacks, because of course you bring them yourself. With this cohort and mentoring cohort, a chance to finally hit publish on something that you may have been procrastinating on or something that you really want to do because you are in this group together. You are in VIC Podcasters. So in that case, take the opportunity to mentor and actually get guided through and get questions that ponder why you're doing something so that it can actually be a fruitful endeavor for you. Now, of course, podcasting you can absolutely do yourself. I'm not saying you can't, but if you don't have to, do you want to take this opportunity? We've created VIC Podcasters to make the podcasting journey less lonely, and mentoring is just one of the ways that we want to show up for you. So in saying that, make sure that you sign up for our email list. Again, that link is vcc.training/VIC Podcasters. You can DM or comment if you want to know when the next round is. And if you've already started your podcast, feel free to send this detail to a friend who may be stuck, or if you're under the first 10 episodes, maybe to start up that podcasting journey again. You can find out all the details again in the show notes attached. Some archive episodes that I'd love you to check out is episode 1, From Idea to Community, why we started VIC Podcasters in the first place, and episode 23, Getting Back on the Mic the Smart Way. So get you back on board after maybe taking a break from podcasting. That's it for this week's episode. Tune in next week for more tips, updates, and the occasional pun. Good ideas buzzing? Excellent. Head to the show notes in this episode for details that you'll need to dive deeper into Victoria's podcasting community. VIC Podcasters would like to acknowledge and pay our respects to the Wadawurrung people of the Kulin Nation, the traditional custodians on the land on which we work, live, and play. We pay our respects to our elders past and present. We stand with the traditional custodians in these lands in working towards a more equal future. Always was, always will be Aboriginal land. And hey, don't forget, podcasting is better with mates.